Today we present a 5-stage row water purifier with dust cover. It features a digital control panel that clearly displays the operating status. Compared with open-style models and frame-style models, the dust cover model is more hygienic and a neater overall appearance. It is equipped with a Delta brand pump for stable, low-noise operation. The universal filter provides easy maintenance and replacement. The injection-molded plastic mounting plate comes with a handle for convenient moving. The internal tubing layout is well designed, making maintenance easier and keeping the system tidy and visually organized. It comes with a 3.2-gallon pressure tank to ensure uninterrupted daily water supply. A transparent filter housing is available as an option, allowing users to monitor the filter status at a glance. The dust cover supports customized colors, as well as custom logos and labels. If you are interested, please contact our sales team. We can customize the system according to your local water quality and usage needs.